everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make butanira udon. It's meal for one series, and today's menu is udon noodles cooked with some pork and Chinese chive. It's meal for one, and you don't want to use a lot of kitchen equipment, cooking just for yourself. So I'm cooking everything in Ziploc container so that you don't have to spend too much time doing dishes. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this butanira udon. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make one serving. 1 portion of frozen udon noodles, 100 grams of thinly sliced pork, any part you like, but it's very thinly sliced like shabu-shabu style. Some Chinese chive, I'm using 3 today. 1 tablespoon each of sake and sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, some salt and pepper, and black pepper. Prepare large Ziploc container or any large food container you have. Put pork, sake, sesame oil, and garlic paste. Mix it and try to separate and spread the pork. Like this. Frozen udon noodle on top. 1 tablespoon of water all over the udon noodles. Put the lid on. You don't need to set it tight. Just put it on like this and microwave. 5 minutes at 600 watts. Give it a mix. Using kitchen scissors, let's cut the garlic chive straight into the container. The bottom part is dried out, so let's cut it off just a little bit. Then, into the container. Lid back on and another 2 minutes at 600 watts. Now, the pork is completely cooked. If you still see some pink part, do a few more minutes. Some salt and pepper to your taste. You can always add more later, but you cannot take it out, so start with little amount. Give it a good mix. Serve on the plate. Finish it with some black pepper. And Butanira udon for one is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Itadakimasu. The ingredients are so simple and it's very easy to make, but this is so good. I love the texture and the flavor of the garlic chive. Delicious! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Butanira udon is noodles, but it's carb, so it goes here and it also covers the main. It's meal for one, and you don't want to spend too much time cooking just for yourself, so let's keep the whole meal nice and simple. Instant miso soup here, eggplant teriyaki for one of the side dishes, and some store-bought pickles for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!